Hello everyone, I'm Jigar Parekh, CET 2099.99 percentile. So guys, Merry Christmas, and I won't waste a lot of time. I just have to tell you that I have three great announcements to make. And first of all, it's my birthday. So whatever you want to do with that, that's absolutely up to you. But yeah, now the three great announcements. So I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but last year we had a series called Doubt Solving Saturdays, where I used to take doubts from students on YouTube, and they used to ask me, ki, how would I solve it? And all these videos helped over 102,000 students. That's the number of views that we have on those videos. Quite possibly a lot of them are at JB right now. So I'm very, very happy. Now the announcement that I have, the second announcement is the best. That is, I really want to congratulate him because many of you have been asking me, how many students, sir, what is the result? So Crack Every Test has gotten 19 plus students at JBIMS and Sydenham alone, only the top two colleges. And this is out of the very, very, very small number of students that we had. That puts us literally in the best students to, successes to total student ratios in the country. So I literally congratulate and thank all my students who got into these top two colleges. I'm very, very, very happy for you, and also very happy because of you. So you guys literally are what Crack Every Test is for. Thank you so much. And the next one, we have a new batch joining, new batch starting, which is starting on 2nd Jan. These are everything that is about the batch. There are going to be daily live lectures. We conduct regular tests. Books are included. There is an everyday study timetable. कब क्या पढ़ना है सब कुछ मैं तुम्हें टाइम टेबल प्रिपेयर करके देता हूँ. There's going to be one-to-one counseling. You can directly ask your doubts to me. सब कुछ preparation related that is covered there. मेरी strategy, मेरे methods, everything that has helped all my students up till now to score so well, and all sections are covered in the entire course. And obviously जो भी recording, जो भी lectures होंगे उनके recordings आपको revision के लिए मिलेंगे. Just till 31st December I've kept this because obviously एक दिन में मैं तीन बड़ी announcement दे रहा हूँ, and that is why I've kept this coupon code that is CRACK-CET22, and you get 1,000 rupees off on any course that you buy from our website. So you can use it on our website, that's crackeverytest.com. I want to see huge numbers, guys. I really want to see huge numbers because 19 is not enough. I want at least 100 students at JBIMS only from Crack Every Test. So I want you guys to help me reach that. So chalo, now without wasting any time, I'll start this new thing. Again, it will be the same thing, Crack LR with Jigar Parekh. I've just changed the name, but it's going to be the same. You guys send me your doubts, I'll solve it on YouTube. Jo bhi LRC, quants jo bhi hoga, I will solve it and I'll give you a similar question. तुम लोग को उसका आंसर कमेंट्स में डालना है. You have to reply in the comments what is the answer. I'll tell you if it's right or wrong. Okay? So yeah, today we're going to take up LR puzzles. So LR puzzles, first of all, I'll just tell you, I have one particular way of solving LR puzzles that has really worked very well for me and my students. That is the positive, relative, and the negative approach. So that is, you have to first differentiate all the points into कौन से वाले positives है, कौन से वाले negatives है, कौन से वाले relative points है. मतलब कौन से वाले तुम्हें डायरेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है, द वंस विच आर इन्फॉर्मेशन जो किसी और के थ्रू तुम्हें काम आएगा, एंड द नेगेटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन इज जो भी तुम्हारे केसेस बनेंगे उनको नेगेट कर देंगे. ए इज नॉट एडजेसेंट टू बी, राहुल डज नॉट ड्राइव अ होंडा सिटी. दीज आर नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स. If you learn how to properly use this approach, trust me, solving LR is a very, very chindi thing. So we start by making a circle. सबसे पहली बात तो obviously because यहाँ पे दिया है that 8 लोग सर्कल में ही बैठे हैं. So सबसे पहले एक स्केलेटन बना देने का. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्केलेटन मतलब अगर सर्कल टेबल पे बैठे तो सर्कल बना के उसमें 8 लोग हैं तो 8 जगह बना देने की. टेबल दिया है तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली मेक अ टेबल, 8x8 का टेबल, 7x3 का टेबल, 7x4 का टेबल, उस हिसाब से बना देना है. So here let's just start putting them into places. Now let's look at the pointers that we have. यहाँ पे ABCDEFGH है, एंड यहाँ पे हमें देखो कैसा टाइप का पॉइंट दिया है. धीरज इज नाइदर ऑपोजिट नॉर एडजेसेंट टू भूमि एंड इज नॉट एडजेसेंट टू अलीशा. हम ये डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज मुझे किसी का डायरेक्ट पोजीशन पता नहीं है. वेरी वेरी मच अ रिलेटिव पॉइंट. छाया इज नॉट एडजेसेंट टू गौतम, नेगेटिव पॉइंट. एंड आर्या इज 3 places away to the left of गौतम हु इज ऑपोजिट फरहान. और दिस कैन बी समथिंग. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज, मैं अगर गौतम को यहाँ पे प्लेस करूँ तो आर्या यहाँ पे आ जाएगी एंड फरहान यहाँ पे. So that makes things simple. Alisha is 2 places to the left of Chaya. Chaya यहाँ तो नहीं आ सकती because Chaya is not adjacent to Gautam. छाया यहाँ नहीं आ सकती बिकॉज अगर छाया यहाँ आई तो अलीशा यहाँ आनी चाहिए. सो बचा हुआ सिर्फ छाया यहीं पे आ सकती है. तो यहाँ आ गई अलीशा. Now I'll use this relative point. That is, Dheeraj is neither opposite nor adjacent Bhumi. Now this can only happen if Dheeraj is sitting here and Bhumi is sitting here. Because अगर धीरज यहाँ आ गया, like धीरज, if धीरज is here, तो भूमि यहाँ पे या फिर यहाँ पे दो ही जगह पे आ सकती है. तो इसलिए धीरज वहां पे नहीं होगा. And बचा कौन? We'll only have H, that is Hina, who sits here. So this is our arrangement. बाद में questions वो लोग कुछ भी पूछ ले, solving it will be एकदम चुटकी का काम. Okay. So basically, as I tell you, it's always a positive, relative, negative approach. Follow it and trust me, LR puzzles will become damn chindi to solve. So chalo. Now you guys have this sum. Take a screenshot or do however you want to do this. Take a screenshot or pause the video. Solve it and tell me the answer in the comment section. And apart from that, as I said, Crack Every Test is always there to help you. If you have any doubt, you can immediately call the number given there. You can also reach out to us on our website if you need to enroll. So thank you guys. It was great seeing all of you again. And again, congratulations to all our students who got through to the best colleges. Bye guys.